Welcome to San Miguel Elementary School Mindful Program Orientation. Mindful means mathematics intervention in numeracy development for uplifting learners. I am Cheryl M. Esguera, the school numeracy coordinator, as well as the proponent of this program. What is numeracy? When we say numeracy, it is the ability to work with numbers. Mastering the basic number skill will help pupils solve various math problems. Why do pupils have poor numeracy level? Ito ang dahilan. There is lacking for a solid foundation of basic number skills. So hindi pa nila na-master ang K-Stage 1 basic skills. Why do pupils have difficulty in solving math problems? Ang dahilan ay basic skills in mathematics are not yet mastered. Why do pupils need an intervention on numeracy? To help them master the basic skills in mathematics. Numeracy program. Numeracy refers to having the ability to apply mathematics in real-life situations. A person is said to be numerate if he or she understands the essence of numbers and has the skills to use mathematical approaches in all aspects of life. Ibig sabihin, kung nai-apply natin ang ating natutunan sa totoong buhay. For example, sa palengke. Kung tayo ay namimili at na-budget natin ng maayos ang pera na dala natin at hindi tayo nagkulang at ginagamitan natin ito ng estimation and the 4 basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To master the basic skills in mathematics, ang San Miguel Elementary School ay naglungsad ng programang Mindful Program or the Mathematics Intervention in Numeracy Development for Uplifting Learners. Program Rationale. Pursuant to Deped Order No. 12, Series of 2015, about the guidelines on the Early Language, Literacy, and Numeracy Program, Professional Development Component, numeracy is one of the programs that will develop the skills and attitudes of Filipino children which will contribute to their lifelong learning. Though it is focused more on K-Stage 1 learners, Kinder to Grade 3, there are some students who got promoted to K-Stage 2, Grades 4 to 6, with weak mathematical foundations. This school numeracy program is based on the division-initiated program, which is Math is Fine program, which means mathematics application to human situations for upgrading numeracy program. By eliminating the non-numerate and emergent pupils will help to realize the vision of every school. The root of low performance of some pupils is non-mastering the basic skills in mathematics. To address this problem, we need to have an intervention to our non-numerate and emergent pupils. Mastering the basic number skills will help pupils solve various mathematical problems and apply mathematics in real-life situations. Thus, San Miguel Elementary School will support and help eliminate non-numerate and emergent pupils by doing this numeracy program, which is the Mindful Program, or Mathematics Intervention in Numeracy Development for Uplifting Learners. Addressing the problem in numeracy in our current situation is the main reason in the development of the new normal numeracy program. This is our problem statement. The low-performing class in mathematics resulted from a significant number of non-numerates and emergents in the group. This is our objective statement. 1. To improve the numeracy level of non-numerate and emergent pupils. Developed mathematics exercises that focus on 3 phases: number values, number operations, and number applications. Lastly, to improve the performance of the class in the post-test. This is our numeracy level program. Supplier: the mathematics teachers from grades 4 to 6. Input: mindful program or mathematics intervention in numeracy for uplifting learners. Process: intervention program. Output: improved the numeracy level of non-numerate and emergent pupils and their performance in their respective classes. Customer: identified non-numerate and emergent pupils. Numeracy level test identifies non-numerate who got a score of 0 to 9 from a 60-item numeracy level test. Emergent who got the score from 10 to 21. Average numerate who got the score from 22 to 39. Above average who got the score from 40 to 51. High numerate who got the score from 52 to 57. Lastly, very high numerate who got the score from 58 to 60. In our remedial proper, we have phase 1, ang ating pag-aralan ay number values. Phase 2, ang ating pag-aralan ay number operations. Phase 3, ang ating pag-aralan ay number applications. Each phase will start with a pre-test and will end with a post-test, depending on the performance of the students. Phase 1, number values. Questions in this section will test the understanding of the symbols used to represent number values in elementary mathematics, the basic building blocks of numeracy. Examples of questions. Which of these numbers is greater than 3,590? A. 3,491, B. 3,578, C. 3,589, and D. 3,601. Okay, ano ang sagot natin dito? Alright, the correct answer is letter D, 3,601. Another question. What is the place value of digit 2 in 5,328,475? A. Thousands, B. Millions, C. 10,000s, and D. Hundreds. And the correct answer is, alright, letter C, 10,000s. Okay, sa phase 2 naman ay number operations. These questions will test pupils' competence in employing the number symbols to carry out routine arithmetical operations. So, gumagamit na tayo dito ng 4 basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Number 1, what is the product of 50 and 20? So, pag sinasabi nating product, ito ay ang answer ng multiplication. So, we're going to multiply 50 and 20. 50 times 20 is equal to, tama, 1,000. Another question. What is the sum of 450 and 220? Okay, pag sinabi naman nating sum, ito ay ang sagot ng addition. So, we're going to add 450 and 220. And the correct answer is 670. Okay, lastly, phase 3, number applications. So, dito Ito ay problem solving. Pupils will be asked to apply their number skills to the solution of various problems encountered in everyday life. For example, the pupils of San Miguel Elementary School collected used plastic bottles for recycling. They arranged the bottles in boxes of 5 and 7. What is the least number of bottles the pupils gathered in all? So, sa problem na ito, ang basic knowledge na kailangan nating malaman is tungkol sa LCM or the least common multiple. So, the correct answer is, alright, 35, letter D, because 35 is the LCM of 5 and 7. Numeracy level test will be given again to the pupils after they passed the phase 3 of the intervention program. These are the mechanics of the intervention program. Mechanics for online distance learning participants. Number 1, the identified learners will be notified by their respective mathematics teachers and send the agreement form and waiver via e-form or hard copy. Next, there will be an orientation of the participants and their parents regarding the said program. Next, the ODL participants will be having their intervention program via Zoom conferencing app and DepEd LMS Moodle Classroom. There are 8 sessions to cover the intervention program that will be given every Friday for 3 hours from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. After the last session, a post-test will be given to all the ODL participants. Lastly, there will be a graduation ceremony to all the participants. For ODL classes, we're going to use the DepEd LMS. So, naka-ready na po ang ating gagamitin na nasa DepEd LMS Moodle Classroom. This is from Lesson 1 to Lesson 8. These are the mechanics for MDL participants. The identified learners will be notified by their respective mathematics teacher. There are 2 ways to conduct the intervention program for MDL participants. Una, distance learning scheme. Pangalawa, limited face-to-face scheme. A survey will be conducted to parents if what intervention program scheme they will choose. If you will choose distance learning scheme, an agreement letter for shared responsibility between the teacher and the parent will be sent to you, and you will help your children to study the module and the learning activities that will be given to them with the guidance of our facilitator. Second, if you're going to choose the limited face-to-face scheme, a waiver for allowing your child to attend the said program will be given to you, and you will be also sign an agreement letter that your child will attend the intervention program. For limited face-to-face scheme, the program will follow the guidelines in conducting the limited face-to-face based on DepEd Memo number 71 series of 2022. There will be an orientation for parents and participants for the intervention program. Each grade level from grades 4 to 6 has an assigned classroom with proper markings as approved by the limited face-to-face monitoring team. Both schemes will last up to 8 sessions, and every session will be given every Friday for 3 hours. After the last session, the post-test will be given to all the MDL participants. There will be a graduation ceremony to all the participants. This is our intervention module. It consists of 8 lessons from Lesson 1 to Lesson 8. Bawat isang lesson ay merong 4 na learning tasks. Learning task 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the schedule of classes for ODL participants. This is the schedule of classes for MDL participants. Representing the School Numeracy Program Organization for Mindful Program,